Hello and welcome back to Lifestyle on Us. I am Madhuparna. Today's video is going to be a brutally honest review on Good Vibes products. Now before I start with the video, two things that I need to say. Number one is that I'm sorry if you're hearing some noise. It's raining out there. मतलब बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है and as soon as I started shooting तभी बारिश को और ज़्यादा तेज होना था. So I'm sorry for that. And second of all these products that you will be seeing in this video, all of them are self-purchased. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So the first product over here is my absolute favorite, and this is Aloe Vera Vitamin E Anti-Acne Anti-Fatigue Night Lotion from Good Vibes. As you can see, the bottle is really looking like torn. I bought all these products 3 months ago, so I have used it a lot, so I can give you my honest feedback. Now this one is my personal favorite. Now I know this is a night lotion, but I use it every day, like as a day lotion as well. क्योंकि कहाँ ही जाना है बाहर, घर पे ही बैठ के रहना है, तो I use it. Now the best part about this is so good. It absorbs really fast. It is very lightweight and it actually gives you that anti-fatigue glow. Like रात को अगर लगा के सो, next day you wake up with a different glow on your skin. Now the original price for this was $350 or something, and I got it from Purple, so it was $217. I know you will be like, बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा or something, but trust me, it has costed me 200 something, and I say it's worth it because it's been almost 3 months and still there. I have a good amount of this left in it, and it's a glass bottle. I love the packaging as well. So this is a must buy if you are looking for a night lotion, and if you have a very oily skin like me, then you can give this one a try. Next up, I have 4 serums over here. Now this is the part where it's going to be brutally honest. Now the first one is Tea Tree Mulberry Oil Control Skin Glow Serum. I bought this one with the lotion, and okay, so the first thing is it gives you a skin glow, and I bought this serum because I thought it has tea tree, so it's gonna help me with the acne, and I was not wrong. This actually helped me with the acne, and also it helped me by minimizing my pores a lot. But I don't know about the oil control because okay, so here's the thing, this was very oily in texture, so I don't know if it did oil control or not, but it gives a good glow. And also this helped me with my blemishes, as it says that it is supposed to give you a healthy skin. So yeah, I used it before using this moisturizer. I used it before using my moisturizer, so there's that. So if you have an acne prone skin with large pores, and if you have really blemishes all over your skin, this can be a very good investment for you. Next up, I have this Tea Tree and Papaya Oil Control Serum again. Now I have a very oily skin, and I have a very sensitive skin as well. So I thought that this one has tea tree again, it will help me with the acne, and the papaya is also good for removing the blemishes and tan and everything. But this one, I don't know what was wrong with the serum. Maybe it's because it has a very strong fragrance. Maybe that's what irritated my skin. Every time, I swear, every time I applied this serum, somehow my whole face just, ऐसा देख के लगता था it's tanned, it's completely dark. I don't know, every time I applied it, the same thing happened. Maybe it's not suiting me, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I really don't like the serum. And plus this really, I don't know, something is in this one that actually agitated my skin, and I started having these rashes and everything. So if you have oily sensitive skin or something like that, this is a no-no. Please just don't buy it. Don't waste your money like I did. Next up, I have this Vitamin C, Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Serum. Okay, this is a serum that actually does what it says. Okay, I have used it, and it has been like over 2 months I have been using it. I swear that this actually gives you a very radiant look. Now the thing with me is like, अभी तो कहीं जाना नहीं है, लॉकडाउन में घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, and I use my serums रात को before I go to sleep. I use it, and I use this one, and while using this now, it is very greasy in texture, so you just need to massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and it gets quickly absorbed in your skin. And with the regular use of it, I don't know how, because it has vitamin C or something like that, it helped me to lighten my blemishes as well. Last but not the least, I have this 20% vitamin C age defying serum. Quick story time. When I first bought this serum from Purple, the first packaging, the seal was open and the serum was out everywhere in the package, and I could see the serum getting oxidized. So I opted for an exchange or return or something. So they got me a new one. Okay, and this is that one. And in this one, okay, when I did the patch test, everything was fine. But uske baad when I applied it on my face now, I'm not kidding you, बड़े वाले फोड़े होते हैं ना, like you have those big acne. I got it all over my face. Maybe it's because I have a very sensitive skin and it did not suit me, but it was so painful. And this is not once. पहली बार I thought कि हाँ हो सकता है, I might have some hormonal changes and normal ऐसे acne होगा. Every time I used this, I got this bade acne. I don't know why. They have said it that it's for all skin types and everything. But yeah, I think that this one is for those who have normal to dry to medium skin type or something. Because when I applied it on my hand, I could actually see a visible result that the fine lines that I have on my hand now बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गया था. So if you are someone with normal to medium skin type, then you can definitely give this a try. But all the sensitive skin types, please mat kharido yaar. It's very bad. Just don't buy it. Next up, I have this ultra nourishing body lotion, and this is in vanilla flavor. Before I say something, as you can see, this is almost empty. I bought it like 3 months ago. I am not kidding you, this is a must buy. If you have this dry skin, or if you have even a normal to oily skin also, then also this works like magic. Whenever I apply this, it just has such a beautiful vanilla fragrance, and it's not very very high kind of tone wala fragrance or very low. It's the perfect hai. Second, the best thing I like about this is it does not stick on your body. हाँ, ये बिल्कुल बहुत जल्दी है, like it gets absorbed in your body. So this costs around 195, and Purple पे I guess I got this for 160-ish or something, and I guess this is a good deal. Like उतने में इतना अच्छा मिल रहा है, so you can give this one a try if you really like vanilla flavors. And next up, I have this green tea rejuvenating face mask from Good Vibes again. Just have a look at it. Okay, so before I say something like this, I'll just say how much it costed me. The MRP was 225 for this one. I am saving my money. इससे अच्छा मैं किसी को दान कर देती. Trust me, does nothing. And I am not saying this कि I have given this like fair chances. I have used this. It does nothing. It says it is going to help me clear my pores, clear blackheads, also remove my acne, bumps and everything, giving your skin a silky, smooth touch and everything. कुछ नहीं करता है, मतलब it's so useless. Like the entire purchase for this Good Vibes, I guess I hated this product. I have used this एकदम like last to last month. I gave it a fair chance. I used it every week एक बार करके, and I used it like 5 to 6 times. Does nothing. The more I use it, the more I feel that something is happening to my skin. Somehow it's damaging my skin, and it has already said that it is for all skin types. So if someone watching this have used this, and if you have a normal skin type and if it worked on you, please let me know. Feel free to write it down on the comments. But because मेरे पे तो काम नहीं किया, I don't know what is wrong with this product. Maybe it's just पड़ा हुआ है. I just have it there in my drawer and I am not even using it anymore. I started breaking out more after using this. Like पहले दिन लगाया, सो के उठ के देखा I have a huge फोड़ा over here. And the price they are selling it for 225. Oh my god. मतलब इससे सस्ता तो मैं खुद ही बना लेती घर पे DIY करके. So this is just a waste of money. Do not even bother looking it up on anywhere. This is just a waste of money for me. Another thing that I ordered from Good Vibes was their Argan hair shampoo, and I don't have the bottle because it खत्म भी हो गया, मम्मी ने फेंक भी दिया bottle. I told her not to throw it away, but then बहुत ज़्यादा bottles हो रहा था, मम्मी ने फेंक दिया. So I will be giving the picture somewhere here, and anywhere I will be giving it over in the screen. Picture मैं attach कर दूँगी. So about that one, I want to say that the shampoo was good. I'm not saying it costed me again around 200 something. So the shampoo was good, but the only thing that I didn't like about the shampoo was it was very dense. Its texture was very dense. So I had to take out थोड़ा सा और उसके बाद पानी में घोल के I had to apply because it's like you cannot use that much of a dense product on your hair, because one thing about shampooing is that the more product you use on your hair na shampoo ka, it dries your hair a lot. It helped me with the hair fall also. I don't know about the hair growth, but it helped me with my hair fall. But it was very drying in nature. So if I just use the shampoo without any good conditioner, मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाते हैं. So if you are buying that, please make sure that you buy a very good moisturizing conditioner. So that's it. The last product of this whole review is a sample product that I got free with the whole purchase, and that is a Good Vibes Argan facial oil with silver leaves, and this claims to tighten the pores, also fights acne and slows down the aging process. Now one thing I want to say about the packaging is you can like it's literally leaking over here. ठीक है, इसको मतलब एकदम टेढ़ा करके नहीं लग सकते. Okay, so it's a sample product, so I'm not going to the packaging because the original product is not this one, and this is a small glass container. So as you can see that it has these small silver leaves in it. Now I don't know about the acne thing, but I know that it helped in tightening the pore. I'm not even kidding you over it. I have used it and it actually works like magic, and after using this I can see a visible amount of change. Now the packaging की बात करें तो भाई free product है, तो I cannot say a lot. You can see it's leaking. Actually right now also it's leaking and I'm applying it on my hand. Maybe the actual product might have a better packaging. Small glass container में दिया हुआ है. So yeah, it is a good product. If you have मेरे को सूट कर गया, like I have an sensitive skin, acne वैसा कुछ कम भी नहीं किया, कुछ ज़्यादा भी नहीं किया. Like it's like that only. It did not react to my skin, so that is a good point over there. So yeah, overall, अगर I have to recommend you guys this product, I can say कि yeah, if you want you can use it as a face oil. So one more thing about face oils, that they are not serums. Okay, so one thing I have to make it very clear, face oils are not at all serums. They are just like replacement of a moisturizer, you can say. अगर ये use कर रहे हो तो ऊपर से moisturizer मत use करो, use any one of them. So yeah, this is overall a good product. You can buy it. I don't know the actual price of this product, but I will search all the prices and I'll link it down in the description box, so you can check it, the price and everything for the whole Good Vibes range. That's all for this video. I know that this just came out of nowhere. I thought कि चलो कर लेते एक review. I had so many good Vibes products now, and I personally prefer those because they are paraben free, sulfate free, and they're cruelty free. And I don't usually use a lot of stuff on myself because I prefer to do home remedies, natural remedies, and they're all natural. So I was like, okay, let's give it a fair shot. Again, I want to say that I have a different skin type, so something that might suit for me might not suit for you, and something might not suit for me might suit very well for you. So your opinions can vary from mine. So if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also comment down below your views and other reviews you would like me to do. Also please share this with your friends and family, because why not? And lastly, please subscribe to Lifestyle and Us and be a part of our family. Till then, stay healthy, stay positive.